Looking to enhance your garden space? Well, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into the wonderful world of garden art, showcasing some simple and creative DIY projects that will transform your outdoor area. Stay tuned to discover simple and creative DIY projects for your garden. First on our list is DIY garden stones. Diving right in, you'll need a bag of quick-setting concrete, a non-stick baking tray, and decorations like glass beads or shells. Begin by mixing the concrete, following the instructions on the bag. Then, pour the mix into your baking tray, smoothing the surface as best you can. Now comes the fun part, decorating. Arrange your chosen decorations on the surface, pressing them gently into the concrete. Allow everything to dry thoroughly and voila! And there you have it, your very own DIY garden stones. Next up, DIY bird feeders. Imagine transforming simple pine cones into a bustling hub for our feathery friends. To get started, you'll need pine cones, peanut butter, and bird seeds. Begin by covering the pine cone generously in peanut butter. It acts as a perfect adhesive for the seeds. Once coated, roll the pine cone in bird seeds until it is fully covered. The final step? Hang your new bird feeder from a tree and watch as it attracts a chorus of birds. There you go, a simple yet effective DIY bird feeder. Our final project is DIY plant labels. This is a fun and easy way to keep your garden organized. All you need are popsicle sticks and a permanent marker. First, write the name of the plant on the stick. Let the ink dry, then simply stick it into the soil next to the corresponding plant. It's as simple as that. No more forgetting which plant is which. With these DIY plant labels, your garden will be the epitome of order and beauty. And just like that, you have DIY plant labels to keep your garden organized. We hope you enjoyed these fun and simple DIY garden projects. From garden stones to bird feeders and plant labels, these projects offer a delightful mix of creativity and functionality. Remember, your garden can be your canvas. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!